Washington, D.C. continues to prove why it's one of the most resilient and opportunity-rich commercial real estate markets in the country. From government-backed economic stability to expanding mixed-use developments and strong investor demand, the D.C. market remains attractive to both new and experienced commercial buyers. Hey everybody, it's Justin with 4J Real Estate, and today we're breaking down why D.C. remains one of the strongest commercial real estate markets in 2026, and why investors across the DMV are continuing to move capital into office, retail, mixed use, and multifamily properties. If you're interested in commercial real estate, investing, property development, or building long-term wealth through real estate, this video is for you. One of the biggest reasons DC remains strong is stability. Unlike many cities that rely heavily on one industry, DC benefits from a unique mix of federal government activity, healthcare, education, tourism, technology, and private sector growth. Even during uncertain economic periods, the DC region historically performs better than any major metropolitan market because demand is supported by long-term institutional employers, government-related industries, federal agencies, contractors, law firms, universities, nonprofits, healthcare providers continue to drive commercial activity throughout the region. Now, while some cities are struggling with commercial vacancies, Washington is starting to evolve. We're seeing major shifts in how commercial properties are being used. Mixed-use developments are becoming increasingly popular, especially in areas like Capitol Hill, Navy Yard, Shaw, and parts of Montgomery County. Investors are targeting properties that combine residential, retail, office, and service-based businesses into one ecosystem. At the same time, office demand is changing, not disappearing. Many businesses are downsizing into more efficient, high-quality office spaces rather than eliminating office space entirely. Trophy buildings and Class A properties with modern amenities continue to outperform older commodity office inventory. Another major trend shaping DC real estate in 2026 is office to residential conversions. Older office buildings in downtown DC, Penn Quarter, and the Golden Triangle are being transformed into modern apartments, condos, and mixed-use communities. This creates new opportunities for investors and buyers who understand where the market is heading. Retail investment is also seeing strong momentum. Neighborhoods like Georgetown, Shaw, Capitol Hill, and Navy Yard continue attracting retailers due to strong foot traffic, walkability, tourism, and population growth. Mixed-use retail spaces, storefronts, and neighborhood service centers remain attractive investment opportunities for commercial buyers seeking long-term cash flow. Now let's talk about why so many investors are moving from residential into commercial real estate. Commercial properties often provide longer lease terms, stronger cash flow potential, portfolio diversification, tax advantage, appreciation in high-demand urban markets. For many investors, commercial real estate becomes a next step toward building long-term generational wealth. If you're a first-time commercial buyer, here are 3 important things to keep in mind. Number 1, start smaller. You do not need a massive office tower to get started. Small mixed-use buildings, neighborhood retail spaces, or smaller multifamily assets can provide excellent entry points while reducing risk. Number 2, understand the numbers. Commercial investing is heavily driven by income analysis. Investors need to understand cap rates, net operating income, vacancy rates, maintenance costs, and lease structure before purchasing a property. And number 3, focus on location and future growth. Areas near metro access, walkable corridors, redevelopment projects, and high-density residential growth tend to perform better over time. Washington, D.C. continues to evolve, and investors who understand these trends are positioning themselves ahead of the market. At 4J Real Estate, we are seeing increased interest from buyers looking to diversify beyond residential real estate and move into commercial investments throughout DC, Maryland, Northern Virginia, and beyond. If you're considering investing in commercial real estate and want guidance on identifying opportunities, evaluating properties, or understanding the market, our team is here to help. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and follow 4J Real Estate for more insights, investment strategies, and market updates.